Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. For me, cooking is an integral part of my life in promoting physical, psychological, community, and environmental wellness. I believe our wellness ties to nature, and cooking at its best should be tied to nature as directly as possible. Eating fresh and unprocessed food will help us to have a better link to nature. As a biologist, I am very much in tune with the change of the seasons as well as the continuing cycle of life. I would like to share with you an aspect of my life that's essential to my wellness in addition to food. In this video, I would like to show you how nature helped me to enhance my wellness. Spring is the best time of the year on the farm that we live, which my wife's family has been living on for over 125 years. We have a special place on the farm that is sandwiched between a cultivated field and a pasture. We call it the wildflower lane because every year the wildflowers put on a spectacular show in the wooded area. Many different wildflowers come up over a period of 6 weeks, but none of them are as spectacular as the Virginia bluebell. There are many different kinds of bluebells, but the Virginia bluebells are the version that found right around here. They are perennial wildflower native to North America. They are one of the earliest to bloom in spring. Along our wildflower lane, they emerge at the end of April, and they bloom for about 2 weeks, and then they disappear without trace for the remaining of the year. On May 4th this year, this is just a day or two past their peak bloom. Some of the petals has already fallen, leaving the pistil, which is the female reproductive organ of the flower. I'm always amazed how they take over all the available space on the woodland floor, leaving very little space for other vegetation. They gave one of the most spectacular wildflower show that I have ever seen. Most of the bluebell comes in a purple-blue color. However, some of them could be pink or lavender. Occasionally, a cluster of white bluebell will just stand out. They dare to be different. The bluebells are the second wave of spring flowers that appear after the winter. A trillium is a beautiful red flower, is one of the early comers. However, they never take over like the bluebells. Over in another corner of the wildflower lane, one group of wildflower just ready to get going. They are known as May apples. They look like little umbrellas. In about 7 to 10 days, a white delicate flower will be sheltered inside the umbrella. In our backyard, in a more open area, we have a different kind of white flower. It is a delicate white little flower that form a white carpet. They are known as spring beauty, and they putting on their own spring spectacular show. The bluebell and the spring beauty are the main actor of this spring flower show, but there are also other players that come and go. When they are done, another round of wildflower will take over, and then by the end of May, everything will disappear until next year. From flowers to pollinators, that's what makes everything possible. All animal existence depend on it, including our human existence. Personally, cooking makes me appreciate our connection to nature, always part of this continuing cycle of life. Interestingly, recently I found a culinary connection to the bluebell, and I will tell you more about it in another video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future videos. See you next time. Please stay safe.